Welcome to Summerlands Hall, a stunning English country estate for sale in Edmoor, England. This magnificent home is listed at £3,750,000, which is equivalent to $4,782,000 US dollars. Now, if you ask me, I think that is a bargain for what this home and property is. We did an estate earlier in the week that was £32 million. So I think that the pricing on this is very good. And the home has been newly renovated. This magnificent home has 9 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It was built in 1846 and sits on 9 acres. I think that this house has a lot of intense colors to it, which is too much for me. I would like to take it down. Like, this looks like Haunted Mansion wallpaper. Just kidding. But I would want to bring it down a little bit. It's very intense and very dark and gothic, but I guess that is the style of the home. And also, you guys, I have an announcement to make. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Thanks to all of you. I truly feel like we have a like-minded community here, and I love it when you guys comment, whether it's good, positive, negative on a property. Bring it. It's wonderful. I love all your thoughts on all these homes that we do. Now, I am so close to being monetized, and if I could ask for your help by maybe watching another video or two that's going to help get those watch hours in. We are so close, and we've done it in just 4 months, which is incredible. But please let me know about this property, what you think. This room, I love this room. I think that would be considered a breakfast room. It's lighter, it has more windows. I just love that. Let me know what you think of this property. I really love the size of this room and the ceiling in here. I think in front of the fireplace would be the perfect spot for a drop-down projector. I love how cozy this kitchen is, and it even has my dream stove in Aga. The chinoiserie in this room is hand painted. you have enjoyed this property as much as I have. It really, really gets you dreaming, that's for sure. I don't know what I'd do with a property this big. Maybe, as you always hear me say, I'd love to have a bed and breakfast. But I want you to know how much I appreciate our little community we have built here. And as always, thank you for watching.